Do you want brighter, glowing skin without spending hundreds on chemical products? Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss natural beauty tips just like this. Today, we're talking about 13 safe and effective home remedies for skin whitening that you can try using ingredients you already have at home. Why natural remedies? Many commercial products promise fast results, but they can be harsh or expensive. Natural remedies, on the other hand, are gentle, affordable, and effective over time. Let's go through the top remedies one by one. 1. Lemon juice and honey. Lemon naturally lightens skin, while honey soothes and nourishes. 2. Potato juice. Potatoes contain enzymes that lighten pigmentation. Apply potato juice with a cotton ball for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. 3. Yogurt and honey mask. Yogurt's lactic acid brightens while honey hydrates. Apply for 15 minutes, rinse with cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. 4. Rice, flour, and milk pack. Rice flour is a traditional brightening ingredient. Make a paste with milk, apply for 30 minutes, and wash off. 5. Turmeric and milk paste. Turmeric reduces acne scars and evens tone. Apply turmeric plus milk paste for 20 minutes, then rinse. Stains may appear temporarily, but fade after a wash or two. 6. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel overnight for hydration and brightening. Safe for daily use. 7. Cucumber extract. Cool, soothing, and great for oily skin. Apply cucumber juice 2-3 times a week for a refreshing glow. 8. Basin gram flour. Pack mixed gram flour with turmeric and water milk. Apply weekly as a natural exfoliator for an even tone. 9. Papaya mask. Papaya's enzyme papain gently exfoliates. Apply mashed papaya for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. 10. Tomato juice. 11. Sunscreen, the most underrated whitening secret. Protection. Always apply SPF 30 or higher to prevent dark spots and uneven tone. 12. Yogurt and oatmeal scrub. Exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens. Massage gently, rinse, and moisturize. Use every other day. 13. Almond oil and sandalwood. Paste. A nourishing combo. Almond oil hydrates, sandalwood lightens. Use 2 to 3 times a week for dry skin. Extra lifestyle tips for a glow drink: 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Eat vitamin-rich foods like fruits, veggies, and nuts. Get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep. Exfoliate gently once or twice a week. Avoid harsh chemicals and always wear sunscreen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves natural beauty hacks. Remember, glowing skin isn't about changing who you are. It's about taking care of the skin you already have.